In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the two chairs that we'll be able to see. Now remember, all of this over here is hidden by this wall. So the only chairs we really need to focus on for this perspective is these two chairs that are right here. And we draw them the same way as we've drawn the rest of the extruded boxes. Now the backs of chairs, typically, of course, everyone is different, but we're going to go ahead and draw these at about 36 inches tall. That's the box that it's going to ship in here. So let's go ahead and get started. What we have to do first, of course, is always refer back to this true height line back here. It's getting hard to see with all this stuff on top, but here it is back here. You could trace over it in a really dark color if you wanted to, but let's go ahead and count up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we know that painted on the true height line, if we extend it over here to this wall, this line right here of our grid, that's at 3 feet tall, okay? And so it's going to be really important for us to know where that 3 foot tall mark is, because we're going to use it for both the boxes. Let's start with this chair here. So if its footprint is right here, I can extend it over, connect it back to the wall, and I can go up, over and up here. Okay, so the two lines that I just drew there, if we go back to our plan, is right here and right here. Those are two lines I just drew. Okay, so now I'm going to connect them back up the wall here and here, all along that wall, just painted on that wall right there. That's 36 inches. But in order for us to carry that back over here, I'm going to show you the opposite way that I showed you in previous videos. Now I'm going to bring the horizontal lines over and meet the verticals up to them. So I'm going to go from my vanishing point through each of those 2 points. Okay, and you can see they're getting hard to see. But let's go ahead now and connect our verticals up. And where those lines intersect right here, okay, and then back here, we're going to go to that corner up, right there. Okay, so that's the box, the front two points of the box. And now, of course, just like we've done in the past, notice, remember, I was smart because I drew that line nice and long, and so as I drew my vertical up, there was already a line waiting for it to intersect from. Same thing here. Now, if this wasn't being covered, this chair that wasn't being covered here, I would extend those lines all the way over, and then I would bring these up, and they would be, the box would essentially complete itself with way less work. So now, all I have to do getting smudgy. This is a very, very messy process. Okay, so there's the box that chair came in. Now the one in the back, whoo, it's going to be hard to draw because there's a lot of lines on top of it. But that's okay, we can do it.